All India Bank Depositors Association, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this evening's 10th MRFI Memorial Award function. Our special welcome to Dr. Srimati Dipali Pant Joshi, Executive Director, Reserve Bank of India. I request Dr. Amita Saigal to give her a bouquet of flowers.
The citation. The M.R. Pai Memorial Award, instituted by Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank Limited, Moneylife Foundation, citation. Moneylife Foundation is a non-profit trust founded in February 2010 by professional investigative journalists Sucheta Dalal and Debashish Basu. During their career as journalists, they both gained enriching experience and expertise which enabled them to focus discernibly on issues of vital importance to business, regulation, and investor-consumer protection. Sucheta is a Padma Shri awardee, well known for her expose of Harshad Mehta scam in 1992, as well as her reports on non-viability of Enron project. Debashish is a chartered accountant by qualification and has worked with India's leading publications, writing mainly on financial issues and policies. Both of them have earned admiration and respect of their peers due to their passion and ability in the pursuit of truth. Indeed, they have become role models for incisive and unbiased financial reporting. Having witnessed intransigent and undue corporate pressure on media against unbiased reporting, the couple decided in the year 2006 to venture into their own media company, which publishes Moneylife magazine, devoted primarily to the financial sector with specific focus on personal financial issues. This inspirational empowerment is achieved by conducting financial literacy campaigns, including workshops, roundtable meetings, white papers, research, advocacy, awareness sessions, grievance redressal, counseling, and much more. It also specializes in conducting seminars on various financial topics: union budgets, investments, savings, mutual funds, financial scams, pensions, insurance, real estate, credit cards, tax returns, mis-selling of financial products, credit bureaus, credit scores, and so on. During 4.5 years of operations, the Foundation has a nationwide membership of over 30,000 members and has conducted more than 220 events at the rate of almost one every week. This outstanding achievement is due to their sustained commitment and selfless devotion to the cause, which has been so very dear to their heart. They have shown an innovative path in delivering lasting results to those less able to help themselves. In doing so, they have also created a valuable platform to address even non-financial issues and subjects of topical interest, such as railway service, right to information, election, voting rights and duties, and wills, and the list of issues is growing every year. There have been 5-fold dimensions on their multifaceted activities. Moneylife Helpline, 3 of them dealing with financial products, namely insurance, banking and credit, and mutual funds, and 2 dealing with non-financial issues, railway service, and Legal Resource Center for Guidance. In recognition of its immense contribution in impacting common people seeking fair treatment and justice, the Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank Limited and All India Bank Depositors Association Mumbai are privileged to confer the 10th M.R. Pai Memorial Award to Moneylife Foundation. Signed, S.S. Bhandare, President, All India Bank Depositors Association Mumbai. C.S. Chhabra, Chairman, Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank Limited, Mumbai, dated Tuesday, 16 September 2004.